Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious ginger salad dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh ginger, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and a neutral oil like canola or grapeseed. For sweetness, a little honey or maple syrup works wonderfully, and a dash of sesame oil adds depth. Make sure your ginger is peeled and ready for grating to ensure the smoothest texture in your dressing. Now let's get everything prepped. Start by peeling a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger and grating it finely. This ensures a smooth dressing without large chunks. Next, mince 1 small clove of garlic. It adds a subtle but important layer of flavor. Then, measure out 1/4 cup of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, setting them aside for blending. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. Transfer your grated ginger, minced garlic, rice vinegar, and soy sauce into a blender or food processor. Add 1/4 cup of a neutral oil, like canola, and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Blend everything on high until the dressing is completely smooth and beautifully emulsified. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your fresh ginger dressing is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over crisp lettuce, a vibrant cabbage slaw, or even grilled vegetables for an amazing flavor boost. For best results, serve it chilled. If you have any left, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.